from 1 to 6. Now, the advantage of this is this center foot right here. When it's at 1, it's down to its lowest point, and when it's at 6, it's at its highest point, which means that center foot, it stays up, but the bottom foot stays down, so it allows you to keep pressure, but it allows you to be able to sew over material that is much thicker, because the center foot is able to stay up. The console, it stays down. It doesn't raise up. The pressure stays the same.